Hello friends, today we will discuss the Magic Wand tool. We will create a new file, maximize it. Magic Wand tool is used to select a portion according to a definite color. Let's start by taking an image. Now we have the image, resize it. Now, after resize, click on the Magic Wand tool. Click on red portion of YouTube logo, it will select only the red part. Then take a new layer, pick a color, drop the color using Paint Bucket tool. Then again click on Magic Wand tool, click on white portion of YouTube logo, it will select only the white part. Then take a new layer, pick a color and drop the color using Paint Bucket tool. In the same way, I select the background layer. That's all for today. Next tool is crop tool. I hope you like my tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.